Embarking on a fitness journey is an exciting and empowering decision. Whether you're looking to improve your overall health, increase strength and endurance, or achieve a specific fitness goal, starting a fitness training program is a fantastic way to kickstart your journey to a healthier lifestyle. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to help you begin your fitness training on the right way. Define your goals. Before diving into any fitness training program, it's crucial to define your goals. Be specific about what you want to achieve. Whether it's losing weight, building muscle, improving cardiovascular endurance, or enhancing flexibility, setting clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your journey. Consult with a professional. If you're new to fitness training or have any underlying health concerns, it's wise to consult with a qualified fitness professional, such as a certified personal trainer or exercise physiologist. They can assess your current fitness level, provide expert advice, and tailor a training plan that suits your individual needs and abilities. Start slowly. Starting a fitness training program doesn't mean you have to jump into intense workouts right away. It's important to begin gradually, especially if you've been inactive for a while. Start with low-impact activities like walking, cycling, or swimming, and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. This progressive approach will allow your body to adapt and reduce the risk of. Incorporate strength training. Strength training is an essential component of any fitness routine. It helps build lean muscle mass, improves bone density, boosts metabolism, and enhances overall strength. Begin with basic exercises that target major muscle groups, such as squats, lunges, push-ups, and planks. Gradually increase the weight and intensity as you become more comfortable and proficient. Include cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise, also known as cardio, plays a vital role in improving heart health, burning calories, and increasing stamina. Choose activities you enjoy, such as running, jogging, cycling, dancing, or swimming. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity cardio per week, spread across multiple sessions. Prioritize rest and recovery. Rest and recovery are often overlooked aspects of fitness training, but they are crucial for progress and injury prevention. Allow your body enough time to recover between workouts. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Incorporate rest days into your training schedule, and listen to your body's signals to avoid overtraining. Focus on nutrition. Fitness training goes hand in hand with a healthy, balanced diet. Fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods that support your goals. Consume a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Consider consulting with a registered dietitian to create a personalized nutrition plan. Stay consistent and adapt. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness training. Make exercise a habit by scheduling regular workout sessions and sticking to them. Remember that progress takes time, and results won't happen overnight. Be patient, stay motivated, and be willing to adapt your training program as you progress and your goals evolve. Starting a fitness training program is a wonderful step towards a healthier and more active lifestyle. By defining your goals, seeking professional guidance, starting slowly, and gradually increasing intensity, you can build a solid foundation for success. Remember to prioritize rest, focus on nutrition, and stay consistent in your efforts. With dedication and perseverance, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals and enjoying the countless benefits of an active life.